The Thirsty Crow. One hot day, a crow was very thirsty. He looked for water here and there, but he could not find it. After a long time, he saw a pot, but there was very little water in it, and the crow could not reach the water. He thought of a plan. He picked up some pebbles one by one and dropped them into the pot. The water came up to the top. He drank the water and flew away happily. He was a clever crow. Moral: where there is a will, there is a way. Moral: where there is a will, there is a way. The Lion and the Mouse. One day, a mouse ran over a sleeping lion. The lion woke up and caught the mouse. The mouse begged the lion, "Please leave me. I will save you one day." The lion lied and freed the mouse. A few days later, a hunter caught the lion in a net. The lion began to roar. The mouse heard the lion and ran to help him. It beat the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. Moral: one good turn deserves another. Moral: one good turn deserves another. The Rabbit and the Tortoise. One day, a rabbit and a tortoise decided to have a race. The race began. The rabbit ran very fast. The tortoise moved slowly. The rabbit looked back. The tortoise was far behind, so he wanted to sleep. The tortoise kept moving slowly but steadily. When the rabbit woke up, the tortoise had already reached the winning post. Thus, the tortoise won the race. Moral: slow and steady wins the race. Moral: slow and steady wins the race. The Greedy Dog. One day, a dog was passing by a river. He had a bone in his mouth. He looked into the water and saw his own reflection in it. Thinking it was another dog with a bone, he wanted that bone too. Bow wow, he barked. The bone in his mouth fell into the water. Moral: never be greedy. Moral: never be greedy.